Families may face challenges, and no one is the same. But a strong family creates a circle of support where everyone thrives. Brick by brick, the Fairfax County Department of Family Services is building stronger families through their dedicated and innovative prevention programs.
Our program goal is to strengthen families and to help parents be the parents that they want to be, to help their children feel safe and secure, and give them an environment in which they can thrive. So we focus on ways to build stronger families so they can raise healthy, happy children. So all of our work is focused on building families' strengths. So we try to enhance their protective factors. Those are things that they can draw on in times of need. They're things like a supportive network of people that they can contact and reach out to, knowledge about community resources, an understanding of their child's development, what milestones are they meeting, are they on target where they need to be. These protective factors can serve as buffers, especially in times of stress. They help parents draw on resources that they have and coping strategies that will help them parent effectively.
It's helped us navigate through this new experience of raising a child at an older age. It's just given us that support that is very important to have in a community of friends that you meet. But this program provides so much, and it's changed our lives. I don't know what I'd do. I mean, I'm glad we have virtual, because if we didn't have virtual training, I would really, really not know what to do as far as when I need help.
We offer a wide variety of research-based strategies to build stronger families, ranging from things like home visiting and parent education and service coordination to things like mentoring and tutoring children that may be at risk, to partnering with the community to support families through volunteer and financial support. Mainly, we work with families to help establish and grow their support networks. So statistics show that at least 1 in 7 children have experienced child abuse and neglect in the past year. Home visiting programs show favorable results in outcome areas including child development and school readiness, child and maternal health, family economic self-sufficiency, positive parenting practices, reductions in child maltreatment, and reductions in juvenile delinquency, family violence, and crime. We work with families one-on-one, so home visiting is an example of a one-on-one interaction. In groups, our parenting education program works in a group setting, and then in collaboration with the community in terms of nonprofits and other community supports. You can actually get involved in making a difference for a child by partnering and or volunteering with us. Through this video, you'll be hearing from a few families who participated in some of our programs, and they wanted to share with you the difference that prevention made in their lives.
A program like this is necessary because there are many families like mine. There are many families who are going through stuff and need resources like this that in the county, and sometimes they don't know about it. So a program like Befriend a Child comes around and show you to trust again, that show kids to be kids again, that not everyone is out there to hurt kids, not everyone is out there to abuse kids, that they have a group of people that love and care for the kids as much as their family do.
Violet and Jade enjoyed participating in the body safety class. They had a lot of fun, and most importantly, they learned who their safe adults were and what to do in unsafe situations. Violet is now has memorized my number and her abo's, who's her grandmother.
Healthy Family nos ha ayudado a convertirnos en los mejores padres para nuestras hijas. Ellas crecerán sabiendo lo importante que es la unión familiar. Mis recuerdos favoritos son las visitas de mi trabajadora, la forma en que ella transmitía confianza a mi familia. También los grupos de juego, las graduaciones que hacían, siempre participábamos los 4.
If we can prevent things up front, it really does make a lifelong difference. An analogy that speaks to me is if you weren't feeling well, imagine if there were no doctors and your only option, the only way you could get any help was to simply wait until it got bad enough or it was a crisis and you had to go to an emergency room. So that's the system that we're creating for families if we don't have a robust and extensive prevention system. Families need to be able to find help before it becomes a crisis and before children could be harmed.
I would tell the family, don't be scared, don't be afraid to ask for help, and they're here to help you. They become your family after you get so much time with them. They push you to do goals that you don't think you can do. They push your children to do goals that they don't think they can do. Pretty much the program is like failure is not an option. So if you live by those rules and go by those goals, you'll succeed in life.
For more information about our prevention programs, you can reach out to us in a variety of ways. You can find us at fairfaxcounty.gov and search Building Stronger Families. You can email us at buildingstrongerfamilies@fairfaxcounty.gov. You can follow the Department of Family Services Facebook page, or you can call our parent support line for in-the-moment help with parenting issues. That number is 703-324-7720.